Example 1. First, place a sheet of coherent paper or a dark-colored material on the working area, securing it to prevent any movement. Open the software and draw a rectangle on the canvas. Adjust the dimensions and center it. Then start engraving. After engraving, click Preview. It shows that the preview light does not align with the actual engraved pattern. This issue may be caused by preview light misalignment. Use a 2.0 mm and a 2.5 mm hex wrench to adjust the screw holes on both sides and the rear of the laser module to calibrate the preview light. Align it precisely with the engraved pattern. After adjustment, move the rectangle to another position in the software. Then engrave. After completion, enable the preview light to ensure the calibration was successful. Example 2. Place a sheet of coherent paper or a dark-colored material, securing it to prevent any movement. Open the software and draw a rectangle on the canvas. Adjust the dimensions and center it. Then start engraving. After engraving, click Preview. It can be observed that the preview light is positioned inside or outside the actual engraved pattern. This issue could be caused by an incorrect preview light scale. Open the software, click the menu, Advanced, Indicator Light. Enter the administrator password, Sculpfun001. Locate the size ratio and make adjustments. If the preview light exceeds the engraved pattern, reduce the scale. If the preview light is smaller than the engraved pattern, increase the scale. Adjust and preview until the preview light aligns with the engraved pattern. At this point, the scale needs to be reduced. At this point, the scale needs to be increased. Preview light and the engraved pattern are aligned. Adjustment done.